Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is me, Iamtongue, and today we have friggin' portrait session outside in the Canadian weather. That's right, I'm back in Canada. I am with the lovely Rachel. Rachel, say hi to everybody. Hello. We are going to do a shoot with the 7Artisans 35mm F1.2 Mark II, and we have all this art installation here around the city that we're just gonna shoot with and try to come up with like creative low light portraits. All right, let's go back here, Rachel. We're gonna wait there, like that. No, just do that, like that. Yeah. Wait for that light to come back. Let me grab it. You son of a, there you go. Oh, it's pink, great. look at that. Yeah, let me see that side profile. Chin down a little. Chin down, right. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, that's pretty dope. Oh shit. Yeah, let's try it with the pink. Okay, yeah. Can I get your hair to be like down? Is that okay? Yeah. Cool. Yeah, let's do the traditional leaning near the light pose. Just be careful because you don't want to get electrocuted. You want to take. That's a pretty good shot. Very cinematic. That's what's up. That's how we do it, I guess. Billie Eilish. You know how she looks in photo shoots? Yeah, like unimpressed, unenthused. Just like yeah. You do that. Oh, that's pretty. Hold that. With the light? Yeah. You got them nice eyes. That like. Look here now. Look here. There you go. Yeah. It's bangers. You only get bangers here. Anthony, I'm gonna need you to hold the light. Yeah, the LEDs. Look, I come correct. Yeah.
Okay. Oh,
so,
we're just going white?
Yeah, maybe. To get some of that color. Yes. I like that. Very edgy right now. And then, yeah, look here. Okay. Oh my God, it's so freaking cold right now. Can we? I think it's barricaded. It's barricaded though. Okay, so you want to go over, huh? All right. Don't injure yourself. Just don't injure yourself. Ah, man, my legs. I'm gonna have to go up to like fucking ISO 3200 for this. You're at 64? Shit. I was thinking, how do we do this? Don't worry, it's all part of the aesthetics.
For real, huh?
Yeah, and I can.
Yeah, as long as it doesn't look.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
No, I'm not. I'm real. That's a lie. It is. Wow. Look away. Look into the distance. Yeah. Look up to towards the light, so we can get. Chin down a little more, chin down, face me, look here, and then 1, 2, 3, stay still. Tell more of a story, because that's what photographers do. Oh yeah, that nice contrast right there. Yeah, do you, switch it up. Yes sir, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, wait, stay still, right there, hold that. Nice. Oh my God. Look this way now. Yep. Side profile on this side, okay? I'm just praying and praying right now. 1, 2, 3. Gonna get more snow. Okay, it's snow. Okay, let's get some moody shots. All right, just embrace yourself. Unimpressed. Just. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed tonight's video with lovely Rachel. Rachel, how did you enjoy the shoot?
It was good.
It was good?
really good.
Despite the shitty weather we have, I think it makes for the best photos. So hope you guys enjoy the photo. Don't forget to like the video, comment on the video, and don't forget to follow Rachel on Instagram. I'll leave her Instagram link down below. And don't forget to follow me as well. Follow Jake. Jake, you want to say hi?
Hello.
That is it for me, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, my name is Tongue, and I'll see you in the next video. I love you.
Cue the funny music.